The Marketing and Communications Award, sponsored by the Downtown Penticton Business Improvement Association, recognizes businesses for creating relevant, engaging content that captivates their audience.
Conceptus Socials is a focused and community-minded expert in social media marketing whose goal is to assist business owners with their marketing initiatives to grow their business and remain focused on the many other important aspects of running a business. Through tenacity and creativity, Ogo Float consistently generates engaging content, showcasing their passion for float therapy and lust for relaxed living. Ogo Float's innovative and playful marketing strategies have extended their reach far beyond their home-based business. Utilizing the float tank for inspiration, Ogo Float's team is dedicated to sharing the transformative benefits of float therapy, believing floating will change the world. The SS Sicamous Marine Heritage Society works to protect, preserve, and promote the marine heritage of the Okanagan Valley. The society was founded to preserve the stern-wheeler SS Sicamous and prevent it from slated closure. Today, this society works to preserve and communicate this unique chapter in Okanagan and Canadian history.
Congratulations to the Marketing and Communications Award nominees. Your fresh ideas and standout creativity make a big impact.